Paul James, and I'm the Chief of Innovation at Jigsaw Interactive. Jigsaw is a rapidly growing, privately held company. We are headquartered out of Atlanta, Georgia, USA. We have a patented technology that provides a virtual training and learning platform with support for thousands of people in a single session. We are focused on making learning be truly interactive. We started working with Prime in 2009. We were in a very tough spot. Our US-based team had reached the limit of their abilities and expertise, and we had very aggressive business goals, but we had real technical challenges. We needed skilled people who could take our platform to the cloud where it could grow. But we also needed to make it dependable. We needed to make it secure. We need to ensure compliance for finance and healthcare customers. And we had some very tough features to implement. We simply couldn't find the talent pool we needed locally to handle all the pieces. We needed people to handle security, architecture, database management, UI, UX, compliance, QA, everything. Luckily, through a referral, we found Prime. They were able to bring the right people to bear and get done what needed to put us back on the path of growth again. Then, in 2017, the business faced a real serious new challenge. Flash was scheduled for end of life in 2020, and we knew it was time for us to rework the entire media server stack and the front-end application. After a good deal of research and testing, we settled on a technology base of Node.js, HTML5, and WebRTC. Prime was again able to meet our needs, adding about 10 more skilled developers and engineers to our team. In about a year and a half, we were able to complete the rework, and it was totally on time and on budget, which was a major victory. However, let me back up just a minute. About 4 months before that celebration, about 4 months before we were scheduled to roll out our shiny new product, we learned that our salespeople had been eagerly pre-selling the product to some very large customers. They brought in so much new business that, in fact, we were facing a 10x customer growth rate nearly overnight. And with less than 4 months until rollout, we knew we had to make some major changes to the load balancing, scaling, and performance of our server-side technologies. It was decided that we would need to implement a full Kubernetes infrastructure in the cloud that we could fully control, secure, and make scalable. But finding highly skilled DevOps with experience implementing a full Kubernetes stack from scratch in a real-time media environment was about as daunting as our schedule. Prime, they pulled out of stops. They really worked hard to provide us with the absolute best Kubernetes DevOps in the industry, I think. And we quickly ramped up the team to 30 developers and engineers. It was simply amazing to take part in. The entire team worked against an impossible schedule to design, code, and implement a full solution, including a complete Kubernetes stack with continuous integration. At all odds, against all odds, we were able to deliver what we promised. Our system is scalable, it's load balanced, it's secure, and it's compliant. Our customers love the new product. And we have since doubled our loads again, while at the same time being able to actually reduce our cloud expenses. And Jigsaw is on track to double or even triple our customer base again by the end of this summer, something we could have never been able to do without Prime. Best of all, we haven't had any downtime in nearly a year. I just wanted to say that, Prime isn't just a vendor to us. We have found in Prime a real reliable partner with deep expertise who's able to bring the right people to solve our challenges. I take the opportunity to visit the team in Bulgaria for a couple of weeks once or twice a year, and I've gotten to know them pretty well. We even still have some of our original team members from back in 2009 on our team today, and that's really unheard of in this industry. Our Prime team members, they meet their commitments, and they really bring their best ideas, their creativity, and of course their technical expertise to work every day. I've worked with a lot of people in several countries on many projects, and I can honestly say that none of them are on the level of Prime. And this is why we've continued to work together for 10 years, and I hope we have 10 more.